Hi, Jack. How have you been?
Hey, Tom. I have been good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was just thinking about that family vacation we took last year. It was so much fun.
Oh, really? Where did you go?
We went to the mountains. It was such a beautiful place. The air was so fresh, and the view was amazing. Have you ever been to the mountains?
Yes, I did, but a long time ago. What did you do there?
We did so many things. We hiked up the mountain trails. The hike was tiring, but when we reached the top, it was worth it. The view from up there was incredible.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Did you stay in a hotel?
No, we stayed in a cabin. It was a small, cozy place right in the middle of the woods. At night, we could hear the sounds of the forest. It was a bit scary, but also exciting.
That sounds so cool. Did you see any animals?
Yes, we saw a few deer and lots of birds. One morning, we even saw a bear, but it was far away, so we didn't feel scared. The kids were so excited to see it.
A bear? That's amazing. Did you take any pictures?
Of course! We took lots of pictures. My dad brought his camera, and he clicked photos all the time. We have a whole album full of them now. Every time I look at the pictures, I remember how much fun we had.
That's awesome. Did you do anything else besides hiking?
Yes, we did. We went fishing in a small lake near the cabin. My brother caught a big fish, and he was so proud. We cooked it for dinner that night.
Fishing sounds like fun. Did you catch anything?
I caught a small fish, but I let it go. I didn't want to keep it. It was just nice to relax by the lake and enjoy the quiet.
I can imagine. Did you have a campfire too?
Yes, we did. Every night, we made a campfire outside the cabin. We roasted marshmallows and told stories. My mom made hot chocolate, and we all sat around the fire, talking and laughing. It was one of my favorite parts of the trip.
That sounds like the perfect vacation. How long did you stay there?
We stayed for a week. It went by so fast. But it was just the right amount of time to relax and have fun without getting bored.
Did you visit any other places while you were there?
Yes, we visited a nearby village. It was a small village with old houses and friendly people. We bought some handmade souvenirs and tried the local food. It was delicious.
What kind of food did you try?
We tried some traditional dishes. They served a lot of meat and potatoes, and the bread was freshly baked. It was simple food but really tasty.
I love trying new foods when I travel. Did you meet any interesting people there?
Yes, we met a local family who owned a small farm. They showed us around, and we got to see their animals and crops. The kids loved playing with the farm animals. It was a nice way to learn about their way of life.
That's such a great experience. It's nice to see how people live in different places.
Yes, it was very eye-opening. We also went on a guided tour of the area. The guide told us all about the history of the mountains and the people who lived there. It was really interesting.
Did you learn anything surprising?
Yes, I learned that the mountains have been there for millions of years and that people have lived in that area for thousands of years. It made me appreciate the place even more.
That's really cool. It sounds like you had an unforgettable trip.
Yes, it was. I think it was one of the best vacations we've ever had. Everyone in the family enjoyed it, and we still talk about it all the time.
I can see why. It sounds like the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation.
It really was. We came back feeling refreshed and closer as a family. I hope we can go on another trip like that soon.
I hope so too. Maybe next time, I can join you.
That would be awesome, Jack. We would have so much fun together. We could go hiking, fishing, and just enjoy the great outdoors.
I would love that. I have been thinking about going on a trip myself. Your stories make me want to plan something soon.
You should definitely do it. A vacation in nature is the best way to unwind and recharge. Plus, it gives you so many good memories to look back on.
You're right. I will start planning something. Thanks for sharing your vacation story with me, Tom. It's inspired me to get out there and explore.
I'm glad I could inspire you, Jack. Vacations are all about making memories and enjoying life. Let's both plan our next trip soon.
Absolutely. I can't wait to go on an adventure and create my own stories to tell.
That's the spirit. Let's keep in touch and share our travel plans. Maybe we can even plan a trip together someday.
That sounds like a great idea, Tom. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, Jack. Here's to many more memorable vacations in the future.
Cheers to that.
Take care, Jack, and happy planning.
You too, Tom. Talk to you soon.